So traders, the 2026 year is going to, or is shaping up to be a year that's going to really bring a lot of pain into all these markets. And one thing I'm seeing right now is what we saw recently happen in the stock market and what we saw recently in the crypto market by just millions and millions of traders being lost. You see these actually are showing this today. Like look at this here. This is actually what happened in the crypto market here. $18 million, account wiped out. $16 million, $140 left. Can you imagine that? Could you imagine having a $16 million trading account, investing account, and now there's only $140 left? $15 million trading account, $104 left. 13.72 million, account wiped out. This one here. Had a friend that was close to 30 million net worth. He has almost a decade in crypto. Lost the whole 30 million yesterday in 10 minutes on cross margin. An entire decade and multiple generations, he could have retired, all gone in 10 minutes from here. And these signs that we're starting to see now, we're slowly seeing the cracks underneath the surface starting to come to light. And there's a little flashing warning sign, right? So the whole thing about Trump tariff, the whole thing that happened recently with the stock market recently, right? With the whole S&P 500 and the Nasdaq down through here. These are warning signs right now, guys. These are warning signs that's happening right now. So we're getting these here for the warning signs, and we're getting screaming warning signs from a perspective of, if you look at things like from gold and silver, like look at this here. This is if we go to SLV, look at this here. And this is the silver price here. So while I've been calling the top in gold, silver, and the mining sector, I don't know exactly when the top's going to be in. No one does. But we do know that the train's going to end soon, right? All aboard the sucker train. Last leaving the handbag gets run over. And that's what's going to happen, right? There is all aboard the sucker train. Now, I know what a lot of you guys are going to say, and that's okay. But my job here is to show you what's happening and what's going to come real soon. And so we are getting towards the end. We don't know exactly when. So, for example, the silver price right now is pushing up. Oh, this is the silver price here. We are pushing up, as you can see, to the 52. We're getting very, very, very close towards the end there. Even the actual gold price as well too. Gold, another push to the upside. It may, guys, I'm telling you right now, we're towards the end of this move here, right? And all through here, this is where it may get to, right? I really thought that the top was going to be here. But there we go, right? Calling the top, all right? But it is coming, right? I'm wrong there, but I'm right in where up here somewhere we're getting close towards the end of the move. And it's just not worth it. Don't be the last one leaving the handbag, because the handbag is going to be dropped really, really soon, right? And even if you look at things like, look at this here. Look at this here. This is a blow off top. Blow off top in gold right now. And just to the fact of the matter is, if we have a look at this here, look at this. I want to show you something. So when the market gets too far away from the moving average, as you can see, check this out. See how we got too far away, then we paused, right? Then we got too far away. That one is actually a lot smaller there, as you can see. When we got that sort of maximum distance away. Check out this one here, right? Then we had this sort of distance, and that's when it got to that point through there, as you can see. So that was that point from there to there, right? So when we actually had this very nice move here, it got too far away, then we went through this consolidation. Where are we right now? Ooh, look at that. We are now the furthest away being in a long, long, long time. In fact, I wonder where it was. Actually, it wasn't even... even the end of this move wasn't even that high. So this is screaming, guys. This is screaming at you. For you guys that are long-term buy and hold, just look at this chart here, okay? Look at this chart. Forget me. Who cares about me? And look at what this market does, okay? And look what we do know what's coming real soon. And what the real soon is, this is the last little bit to the upside here. Again, I don't know exactly when the top's going to be, but the top is coming. The top is coming. Do not believe the last leaving, especially if you guys that are leveraged up, all right? Especially some of you guys are going to have these stories behind your name. I did have $1 million trading account and I should have listened, but no, don't be like that. No. Right? So we're shaping up for this to be a really everything here, because we're seeing everything just going pretty crazy, right? This is the GOD. We're looking at even the like the mining sector bubble. 2026 is going to be the year of a lot of pain. And the way I'm saying that here is that this bubble here is every single time in history when we've seen things go up crazy like this, every time. Like look at SLV as example. Look at this here. Big vertical move up. We end up getting a real hard and fast snapback. Up. We're going to get a real hard and fast snapback real soon. Stock market is still very strong on the upside. Let's go to the good old stocky market from here. Right, this is the good old stock market, still very strong on the upside. We still can continue up a lot more, of course. Right, that's what bull markets do. They end up going a lot longer than what we think. But yeah, we're there right now, right? But shaping up for 2026, guys, I'm telling you right now, 2026 is going to be the year of disaster, right? And those who are just holding on right now, no, John, it's never going to happen. Okay. Hey, and that's the beauty thing about trading, right? The thing for me is like I actually share with you my actual trading results, my trading equity curve. If you go to getjohntop.com, that's second link in the description. That's actually an application form to my actual coaching program. So when you look at this here, I never trade based off my thinking. I trade based off proven strategies, right? And so we can see this here through here. We do know that, and if we do continue this up here, which we may, right? If we do continue up like this on the S&P like that, you do know what's coming, right? We're going to get a real hard and fast snapback coming out of the actual stock market from here. So there's a lot of flashing warning signs that's happening around the markets right now. A lot of flashing warning signs that are happening around the markets now. A lot of people are gambling. There's a lot of euphoria around all these markets. We got quick liquidations in the crypto market. We've got big selling periods happening in the stock market. This volatility is a sign, guys, okay? It's a sign of a lot more pain to come. Now, how that happens, don't try and pick tops and bottoms. I know some of you guys are doing that right now. You're trying to pick a top and bottom in the metals and the miners. Just don't try and pick tops and bottoms, okay? The big cycle of things is at play. The idea is to see it, stand away so you're not getting hurt from it, and therefore you can actually get ready for it, because there's going to be an amazing buying opportunity to come out of the actual stock market and out of the actual metals and also the mining sector. Now, the one market for me personally is I do see that's actually starting to roll over is the interest rates. So if I bring up the interest rates here, I see the interest rates actually starting to roll. This is the 10-year. So I see the 10-year actually holding here, and we're likely to start to see this thing start to roll over and come down through to here on the good old 10-year. And then this is the same thing for the interest rates here. So what's coming next year, guys, for me? Next year, what I see coming, this is the overall market from here. Remember, guys, like what I'm doing right now is I'm giving you my opinion. When I actually trade the markets, I trade what? I trade based off my strategy, because that's what I use. See, you guys are trading based off YouTube videos. You guys are crazy, right? You're looking at a YouTube video and you're making decisions off a YouTube video. No wonder most of you guys are broke and not doing well out of trading, right? Why? Because you're making decisions off a YouTube video. I don't trade off my, I think gold's going to top soon. Doesn't mean I short it. No. How do I trade the markets? I trade the markets in a way of what? My actual system, the pattern that I trade. It's not, and that's exactly how I get ahead in the markets, right? So I just want you to understand that most of you guys are trading based off YouTube videos. You know you're gambling right now, right? But that's okay, right? 90% of you guys are going to keep losing more money and you're not going to listen. And you're going to keep trading based off your emotions and what you think and what you're hoping for. And you're not going to be around in 12 months time frame. But don't blame anyone else apart from you because it's your responsibility. You're not trading like a professional trader. If you want to be a professional trader, what does a professional trader do? He has a trading plan that he follows. You guys, gold's going to the moon. Let's go long. That's your trading setup. No wonder you guys are losing a lot of money in the markets, right? Gambling mentality, you're going to blow yourselves out of the markets. And come next year, you're not going to be here anymore. You're going to lose all your money and you're going to go back to your job. You're going to end up getting a divorce from your wife and because you're just not treating this serious. You're treating this like a gambling machine, right? But when that happens, don't blame anyone else apart from yourself because even though you might be doing good now, that actions, that approach later on is going to wipe you out. So traders, before you leave today, I want to give you an invite to apply for my John's Inner Circle coaching program. This is my top level coaching program and this is for only serious people only. This group right now currently is only around 15 people, so it's only a real small group because I'm with you every single week in that small group. This whole group here, this John's Inner Circle is about giving you exactly what you need to know on how to identify a really good high quality setup, trade management techniques, how I scan the markets and so much more. Plus also every single week I'm doing live coaching sessions that help you with every single area that goes into becoming a good trader and so much more. So this is only for serious people only. This is my top level coaching program. It's only a real small group. But if you're at the point right now where you are absolutely serious about becoming disciplined and you really want to make commitment to becoming a good trader, then my Inner Circle may be a good fit for you. If you go to getjohnshelp.com, that's an application form. Go fill that out right now and you and I will have a good chat on the phone and I'll see where you're at and you'll be able to see more about the actual coaching program. And if we're a good fit, then maybe we can move together from there. But if you're real serious about this and you really want to take this to a whole brand new level and you want to be more than 95% of traders lose money in the markets. And if you finally want to start to crack into the top 5%, and even the top 1%, then this may be a good fit for you. So go to getjohnshelp.com right now, apply for that. It's only for the first 10 people only, and I look forward to speaking to you on the phone real soon.